Okay, so today's video, I have some exciting news. I got a package in the mail, and it's a sponsored package. So, for those that don't know the story, about a month ago, after I hit 100 subs, I reached out to a couple companies, and to my surprise, Hikari was willing to work with me. They asked what I wanted, what I have, what I would like to try, what I was looking to do. Basically just told them I was trying to build a community and spread their, not that they need help spreading their name, but spreading their name, and I love their products, so I wanted to get my name out there. So the guy was like, okay, how many samples of something do you want? And I said, I don't know, I can maybe give away 3 or 4. So he's like, okay, I'm going to send you 100 bags of Vibrabites. So, this is the box. It came in, 2 days ago now. Those that were on the stream yesterday with Ed, my weekly Friday streams at 4 p.m. with Ed, got to see this early. So we're going to get into this. Let's see what we got in here. Now we should... Okay, so here's the first bag of Vibrabites. We're going to move the bag. We're going to move the box out of here. First bag of Vibrabites. Whoa. That's what 100 sample bag, or 50 sample bags of Vibrabites look like. So, we got some of these. We're going to get 2 different camera angles here. So that's cool. And as you see, it does say sample on the top right there. So, we got one of those. We got 1 brick of that. We got another brick of 50 Vibrabites. For those that were in the stream yesterday, I did give a couple of these away, so I have to get these mailed out. They'll probably go out Monday morning. And then in the bottom of the box, there's a baggie. There's a baggie with other products in it. Products I was not expecting to get. And real quick, just before we get into the unboxing and everything, full disclaimer, I did not pay for any of these products, but I also am not being paid by Hikari to say anything about them. So anything you hear me say about these products is 100% genuine and just my thoughts on them. And you guys know if I don't like a product, I'm not going to tell you it's the best thing in the world, because I've already done that with a very popular product in the community. So if I don't like it, my fish don't like it, I'm going to be upfront with you guys and let you guys know. So yeah, enjoy the video. So let's see what we got here. First of all, this was looks like stuff that was on my wish list. So the first product we have here is the Hikari Daphnia. That's a terrible glare, sorry about that. So we got a Daphnia here. I'm guessing this is another one of their freeze-dried products. So that's cool. Yes, pure freeze-dried products. So right there says it. So this is for, you know, your herbivores and whatnot. I wanted to get it to give it a shot, so that's what we have here. It has a nice little spout here, so you just open it and dump it. Let's see. It is not. It looks like breadcrumbs. That's what it looks like. So they're little, mixed, crunched up little beads here. You just open up that little lid and dump it in your tanks. I did give this to some of my Danios yesterday, which is why it's open. They seemed to like it, and the second I put it in the tank, they went crazy for it. So that's cool. So that's one new item I have. Let's see. They also sent me some more Vibrabites. So here's another packet of Vibrabites. This is a regular size packet, the standard size they sell. So that's what this is. I might give this one away since I already have one open and using it. I have fed this to Tetras, Betas, Mabunas, Danios, pretty much everything I have. Gouramis, Corridoras, Neon Tetras, Cardinal Tetras, Mollies, everyone's eating it. So that's cool right there. So that's another product we got. The rest are things that I was like, ooh, I would like to try those at some point. So here we have the Hikari Micro Wafer, which is a nice small little wafer. So that's neat to have. Super excited to try that. Let's see, we've got nice... That's not focusing at all. But yeah, that's cool to have. We got a angelfish on the package. We've got a I think it's a tetra. Gourami, and then a ram. It's a spirulina algae wafer kind of thing. So it's this idea for community tanks. So I'm going to give this a shot in the community tank and see how it goes. Let's see. Ingredients are fish meal, quail meal, wheat flour, flake corn, brewed yeast, cuttlefish meal, wheat germ, spirulina. So nothing too fancy, but you know, another food I can give to my fishes, so that's kind of neat. Also, does anyone say fish or fishes, since you can technically say both? This is another one that was on my list. I was looking for something else I could feed my cichlids. And since they are Mabunas, they are veggies eaters, so when I saw this, I was like, ooh, I would like to try your cichlid pellet at some point. So it is a sinking variety. It is for the herbivores of the cichlid family. It contains veggie matter that African cichlids crave. It's a mini pellet, as you can see there. It says mini pellet. It feels almost like the size of the extreme beta pellet, so that's cool. It is a diet for herbivore lovers. It's a perfect balance, it says. It does say color enhancing. We'll see. Now they're already kind of cool colored up. So again, it's fish meal, wheat meal, flake corn, wheat germ meal, spirulina, crowflake, 30% protein, 6 crude, fat, 3 fiber. They got some vitamins in there. I've not usually seen all the Japanese lettering on their stuff before, so that's kind of neat. But yeah, this is another food I wanted to try, so that'll be fun to open that up and give that a whirl. Down to 2 last things in here. We've got the Hikari shrimp cuisine, which is another thing I wanted to give a shot since I have fed their crustacean food, which I think is more geared towards your snails and your invertebrates like that, not so much shrimp. But see, this is 40% fat. It's got fish meal, krill meal, wheat flour, flake corn, dehydrated alfalfa, brewed yeast, wheat germ, cuttlefish meal, dried seaweed, fish oil, more alfalfa, nutrient concentrate, dehydrated, spirulina, kale. So it's got more veggies and stuff that the shrimp should like. It looks like it's a small sinking pellet. Again, camera's not focusing. But yeah, that should be cool to try. So I will definitely be giving that a neat little try here soon. I do have some Amanos in my 6-gallon, which should love that, so that's cool. And the last one, because I'm obsessed with betas, is the Beta Bio Glow food that they make. Let me see if I can get this glare to go away. So this comes in this nice little thing here, little feeding apparatus. You just pour it, and they get in the chamber, and it comes out. So that's cool. Super excited to try that. It is a nice small little pellet. It is 22.5 grams, so that should last me quite a bit. See, it's fish meal, wheat meal, soybean meal, rice bran, potato starch, krill meal, corn gluten, and again, normal stuff you'd see in fish food. Protein is 38%, fat is 4, fibers 3. We got vitamin A, D3, E, and some ascorbic acid in there. So yeah, that's another one I want to try, and I'm glad they sent that. So we've got our Beta Glow, we've got our shrimp food, we've got our veggie sinking cichlid pellet. Let me turn those around so you guys aren't looking upside down. We've got more Vibra Bites, we've got the microalgae wafer, and then we have some freeze-dried Daphnia. So that is cool. Super happy that Hikari was like, you know what, we'll work with you. And then of course, you know, we got all of these Vibra Bites to give away. Like I said, we gave some away last night on the stream. But what we're gonna do is, since this is going to be a quote-unquote sponsored video, I'm going to give away some on this video. So comment down below if you would like to try some Vibra Bites, or, you know, just leave a comment saying hello. I'll go through and pick some people to win some stuff. Got to be in the United States, though, because I can't ship this internationally. So, you want to win some Vibra Bites here, let me know. Also, be subscribed to the channel. I'll do a separate one on Instagram, which I'll put on the screen here. I'll put a picture of the Vibra Bites and just leave a comment on there. And make sure you're following on Instagram. And yeah, super happy to work with Hikari here. I have a couple other things coming up sponsorship-wise. Just waiting for a couple of care packages to come in. Super excited about that. And of course, just before I forget, remember to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, hit the bell. I've got a bunch of social medias. I've got Twitter, I've got Instagram. I have a Discord if you want to come and hang out with some people. I do also stream on Twitch. For right now, I'm streaming 6 days a week, Monday through Thursday. Fridays I have my stream with Ed on YouTube at 4 p.m. Eastern, so I do not stream on Twitch on that day. I'm back on Saturdays and then Sundays off so I can do schoolwork, because I am a grad student. Just play some video games over there and hang out. I also have Instagram. I post pictures of fish and my dog or cats, and I just tweet or retweet gaming stuff. So, you know, if you're not into gaming, it's not for you, it's fine. But yeah, just check me out on everything, and let's cut to some B-roll of these guys eating. Look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.